Lagos Indigenes, under the aegis of the Isale Eko Descendants Union (IDU), have petitioned the National Film and Video Censors Board (NFVCB) over alleged defamation of their community and Eyo masquerade in the gangs of Lagos. The union expressed displeasure that Isale Eko was painted as a crime hub in the film directed by Jadesola Osibero and co-produced by Kemi Akindoju, adding that it brought the indigenes into blatant shame. Nigeria-born music superstar, business visionary, and international artist Mr. Eazi has announced his latest project, a new Pan-African music group, Chop Life Sound System. The group will have UK-based Kenyan-born Afrobeat DJ Edu as its resident DJ, along with an informal crew of contributing DJs, artists, and producers from across the continent. Mr. Eazi will be the primary vocalist of Chop Life Sound System Recordings and will also serve as its MC, or what he calls the minister of enjoyment at live events. Did gangs of Lagos portray Lagos in bad light?